Hi, my name's Oliver, and I'm from Cebu City, Philippines. I've been teaching English online for over 8 years now, and trust me, it's one of the most fulfilling things I've ever done in my life. Um, my specialty is in teaching pronunciation and improving my students' standard English accent. But I can also help you improve your reading skills, your listening skills, and basically your overall English communication skills. Well, apart from being a teacher, I'm also a part-time musician. I play the guitar and I sing for my band. I found that teaching English can be really fun and really fulfilling, and I get to meet a lot of new people and make a lot of new friends. So if you're preparing for an interview, if you're preparing for an exam, or if you need help with English related tasks at work, or you just want to improve your pronunciation and be more confident in speaking the English language, then come study with me, and we can make it fun here in my class. All right? So I'll see you soon. Bye bye.